Well, we had a long day. We managed to pick up every brick that was here on the surface by hand. It took us probably a good 8 hours. Had about 8 people loading up this trailer of types. And then on the last trip, the trailer got stuck. Now everybody has a theory, right? And everybody's trying to employ their theory. It's pretty comical. Everybody has something to say about the tractor driver, saying, "Oh, yo, you should do this, or you should do that. No, why don't you do this, or why don't you do that?" A lot of armchair quarterbacks. Poor tractor. It's barely a 3-cylinder, but it did its job today until the end, and now we're stuck. फोटो तो खिंचा लो, फोटो खिंचा लो। हाँ, नहीं नेट ते ला देनी है ना। हाँ, अपने अपने ना दस दो, छोटे नू भी छोटा आ जा। अच्छा, अपने अपने ना दस दो, की ना तेरा? जावल हुसैन। अच्छा तेरा? पीछे जी। खाबर। मोहम्मद अशरफ। शहजाद। हाँ जी। अरशाद अहमद और फैसल। हाँ जी। उस्ताद जी। चाचा जी। हाँ ना दसो। सैफ। चलो शुक्रिया।